Noi credem că acest
We believe that this space is a kind of meeting point between generations, between people and crafts, between past and future.
Între trecut și viitor. Încercăm să aducem împreună.
We're trying to bring it together, to pass on these activities that are part of the cultural heritage of our people.
Din zestrea culturală a poporului nostru.
In 2011, Dana Georgescu and her husband Ion inaugurated the Paper Mill Museum workshop. 5 years later, they expanded and opened the Crafts Village.
Noi am pornit de la început ca o activitate.
We started from the beginning as a non-profit activity. We have even made an active policy to work only with people from the community.
În echipa noastră lucrează 14 oameni.
Our team employs 14 people who work full-time in both the administration and the craftsmen themselves in all 8 workshops we have here.
Cele 8 ateliere pe care le avem noi aici.
Most of our clients are people living in cities who want to get involved in practical activities and at the same time remember the older ones from the world of their grandparents and great-grandparents.
Străbunicilor.
Copiii care participă la atelier.
Children who participate in workshops learn to go to weave or make a sheet of paper, but at the same time, they also learn what it means to respectfully look at a craft and learn what patience means and how important it is to connect with that craft.
Te conectezi cu meșteșugul respectiv.
Ce am făcut noi în Comana.
What we did in Comana can be easily applied in many regions of our country. This positioning of crafts in relation to art, in relation to the educational part, but also to the tourist part.
Nevertheless, a business like the Comana Crafts Village always has to be innovative to attract new visitors from home and abroad.
Acum suntem în
We are now preparing to make a traditional kitchen, to be able to take old Romanian recipes and at the same time adapting them as much as possible to the taste of the 21st century client.
contemporanitate, adaptându-le pe cât posibil la gustul clientului de secol 21. Prin toate aceste proiecte, noi practic
Through all these new projects, we are practically fulfilling our vision and mission to contribute to the promotion of crafts and to prove that crafts are relevant in the 21st century and can be job providers.
de locuri de muncă